Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. So in this video I'm gonna show different unique and beautiful quilling paper art. You can make easily different paper ideas, quilling paper, jute craft, different paper craft videos and etc. In this video I'm gonna show different beautiful and unique quilling card ideas for Eid. For Bakra Eid, you can make easily at home different amazing cards and etc. It is very stylish and unique, and I hope you like it. You can see it is very colorful and beautiful color combination for the quilling paper card, and I hope you like it. Then you like your review, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please share your friends and family members, and do not forget my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.